Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to talk everything top shelf, the good, the things that I will forever repurchase. We're talking skincare, some makeup. We're even going to go into my closet and try on some fashion. This video is partnered with Lily Silk. I'm wearing a Lily Silk top. You guys know I've been such a fan of the brand for a while now. Really quality pieces that are so well made. We're going to take a look at what I thought off of their website were the hottest pieces this season and do a little try on. There will be a discount code Tati25 to save 25% off of the website. Information will be in the description box, but this is just going to be everything luxury, the odds and ends, the pieces that you need to feel your best with the weather warming up. We're going to talk about it all. I'm going to start with what's in my hand right here. I don't often talk about SPF, so let's start there because I finally found one that is a problem solver that I am absolutely in love with. Now, this is from a brand called Naked Sundays. I've been on their PR for a hot minute. They've sent me different versions of, I think, like lip oils and sunscreens that are tinted. And I kind of, okay, like I kind of like it, but this really impressed me. I understand now, having been in Texas for a hot minute, that the sun here is just different. Like, just don't even come at me with it. Like, I just feel genuinely it is so different. If I go outside to like water the plants or do anything outside, I feel like I get tan in 2.2, and I'm trying to get rid of this pigmentation. I'm trying to do my best with my skincare routine and lighten up some discoloration on my face. But the moment you are exposed to sun, it can all just come right back, and it feels like this endless cycle. So what I'm doing right now is being really diligent to spray on top of my makeup an SPF on my face specifically. So if I'm on the go, I can just spritz this on top of my makeup. It doesn't disrupt anything or ruin anything. It just gives me that protection and coverage that I need, because who is going to take gloppy SPF and just rub it on top of your makeup? You're not. You're supposed to reapply like every couple of hours. So something like this can be really helpful. This is a hydrating glow mist. It has SPF 50. You get hyaluronic acid in here and different skin caring extracts. They have watermelon extract, a plum extract, and I just feel like it's really nice. You want to give it a good shake before use. I'm going to go ahead and just spray it right now. Why not? The mist on here is really nice. It definitely has a sunscreen scent. I don't think that's avoidable if you really want to go in and protect yourself. Like, you're gonna need something that has a solid punch, but it has a nice tropical vibe to it as well. So that's a real nice bonus. So this is one I'm about halfway through and I will definitely be repurchasing. We talked about sunscreen. We're going to go right into glycolic acid. Now, this is something that is really potent, will exfoliate the skin, will reveal more baby soft skin with consistent use. If you're sensitive, you might not want to do this, but for me, I have always found such incredible success using Glytone. I've been using this for like 8 years straight. I alternate different things that I'm testing out. I always come back to this. I feel it's better than the Paula's Choice that everyone seems to love so much. This has a bunch of different acids, from glycolic to niacinamide, salicylic acid, malachite extract. It is strong, but it gets the job done. If you're using glycolic, you absolutely 1000% need to be using SPF. So yes, but I'm on this game and it hasn't irritated my skin whatsoever, and I just love it. I even love the top that you put your cotton pad on and just press the top and it saturates it beautifully. Using this at night only, and if my skin seems red or irritated at all, I will take a day off, but I normally don't have an issue with this one whatsoever. I do want to mention, because a lot of people lately, they've been asking me, do you still use Briogeo? And I recently posted a little thing about how I refresh my hair, and this was the dry shampoo that I used. Now, this is a charcoal and biotin dry shampoo. I will, for the rest of my life, repurchase this. It's just so good. I haven't found too many other dry shampoos that you can really borderline almost mess up. Like, you can go oop and like have a ton of powder fly at you and still wiggle your fingers through, brush it through, and there is no white cast. It gives a ton of volume to the hair. I love the ingredients. This is a hot one. More sunscreen, more sunscreen. I slather this one on and it does not break me out, and I'm so excited about that, because normally SPF makes me break out so easily and I'm just like, dang it, do I want acne or protection, brown spots or bumps, because it literally in the past like sunscreen will make me itch. It's so uncomfortable. But this one from Kosas, this is the DreamBeam Comfy Smooth Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. This is a mineral SPF. It has peptides, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. You're getting some skincare benefits in here. This is the original that is very glowy. This is what I use typically, but I have been playing around with this one right here. It is the more bronzy version. It is a little bit like the Elephant Glow Drops, but with SPF, you still get some skincare in here, so it's more of an all-in-one. I really like this, but with the amount that I put on my face, I have to say I'm using just this one because I don't wear makeup every single day. And if I do wear makeup, this is nice underneath it if I feel like going a little bit lighter. But these have just so saved the day and impressed me, and I just love them. We're gonna take a fashion moment, a fashion break. Let's do a field trip and go into my closet, and I'm gonna share with you my favorite picks from Lily Silk. Welcome to my closet. I'm gonna share with you all my favorite Lily Silk pieces, this outfit being one that I am obsessed with because I am a comfort queen. Now this is the Oasis hoodie and the Oasis knit pant. The hoodie itself is really gorgeous. It has a nice double zip. So you could pair this with shorts, jeans, any pants that you have, and do something a little cover up on the go vacation. It has a hoodie that hoods. Like I can tuck all my hair in this hoodie and flip it up, and I feel like I am from another era entirely, which I really love. Really, it's this fabric that gets me. It is a breathable wool silk knit blend, and it feels like luxury. It feels like I can move. I don't have to worry about the fabric crinkling. If I want to pack this for vacation, I don't have to worry that it's going to get ruined. And it looks great for casual or dinner time. I love it. It is a total slam dunk. Let's move to the next. I feel like $1 million in this two-piece getup. You guys know I am all about a vest right now. I will be wearing this so many different ways with jeans casually, but this right here, I just feel so pulled together, but it's relaxed. It feels very fashion elevated and pulled together. These two pieces are made from merino wool. The vest has a jacquard silk backing. Do we see the top portion of the skirt? It wraps around. There are 2 sets of buttons. It just feels luxurious through and through. I feel effortlessly chic, not like I'm trying too hard, and definitely I'll get a ton of wear out of this vest this summer because that has been my absolute obsession lately as far as fashion goes. How cute, how effortless. I love this silk pinstripe shirt dress. It just is a big, huge shirt, and you wrap this tie up nice and tight, and it fits so beautiful. It feels flouncy, effortless, but you could totally use this as a cover up. This screams summertime vacation to me. I cannot wait to wear this on a date. And the material is made in a way where it has this gloss-like finish that is so appealing. It feels incredible on, it moves with you, and you can definitely adjust the belt however you like, make it a little bit looser on the top, tighter, play with it, have fun. But I feel like this is such a staple in anyone's wardrobe. Really easy to throw the outfit together. It's literally just a shirt dress, but it looks so sophisticated and flattering. As a bonus, everyone, we have pockets. Literally, this dress has it all. The comfort is extreme. You're gonna be seeing me in this one a ton. These are the kind of items you're gonna keep in your wardrobe for a very long time. This is not fast fashion. This is capsule. This is effortless elegance that is timeless. These are pieces that you can mix and match with other trendier items in your wardrobe. And I absolutely love what Lily Silk does, their design, their craftsmanship, and everything A to Z. So please go check out their site. Use the code Tati25 to save that cash. And let's talk about some more luxury. How much do we love the vest? That vest is everything to me. It is so comfortable. It just feels like, how do I say this? It just feels sexy on the skin. Like I feel so gorgeous in Lily Silk clothing. Now, what I want to add to that is moving forward into summer months, I want my skin to glow and gleam, and I'm excited to wear those outfits, but I want my skin to look really great as well. So I'm going to share with you my legit secret. This is the secret sauce, you guys. When you see my shoulders gleaming, when it has that nice glow and I've taken a moment to really beam them up beyond just putting an oil or something like that on, I take an OG fave. This is MAC Strobe Cream. It's the rosy one that I use. There's 3 shades. This one for me just works really, really well. This is so luxurious. This is just like, you can mix this in with your foundation also. It does not come off glittery or chunky. It just makes the skin reflect in a way where it looks like you truly have the greatest skin of all time. It makes your skin look like you have been hydrating every day of your life. You have been eating the healthiest. You've been doing the most. It gives that kind of a gleam. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch, which I do, on the chest, I'll literally go whoop, whoop, and then I'll take one of my larger brushes and really just blend it all in. And then if I need to take the foundation down a little bit, it just kind of sinks in and melds together really perfectly. Again, you can use this underneath your makeup, but I don't always. Sometimes I just want the skin to look a little more dazzling, and I can get it there with these 2 items. Now, this is from Danessa Myricks. This is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum. Now, this is intended underneath makeup, but I love how this looks on the body. This on the body, just for some reason, every little crinkle, like if you have any dry spots, you don't need a ton of this. You just work it in with whatever moisturizer you're using. I sometimes will do a full cocktail and I'll do a little bit of this and a little bit of Yummy Skin in with a lotion, so I'm not going through the product so quickly. I will, like Naturium's a good one to do it with. I'll put it fully on the arms, on the legs, and it just gives you a little extra boost of glow without it being greasy, without having to worry about makeup transferring everywhere. If you don't have the time to blend in body makeup, but you want the skin to look a little bit better, this situation, this combo goes far. Oh, and it smells delicious. The Yummy Skin smells so fresh. It kind of reminds me, it's giving cool water, and I know a lot of you out there know exactly what that smells like. Don't lie, you know. Many of you are in my category. You know exactly what cool water is and what it smells like, and I am brought back to high school. It just has that kind of a fresh, crisp, sea breeze, floral type of a thing. This will be a forever fave. Oh my gosh, I'm already kind of panicked that I'm almost out of it, like literally. It's starting to do that thing where it's like just like barely, like, do you see? It's spotty. So I've been using it so much. Oh my gosh. This is the best product from the entire One Size line. This stuff, get out of here. This is so good. Like, I can't do my makeup now without it because I like the way it even feels. I feel like it's like a facelift. It kind of, maybe it's not great for my skin because of the alcohol, but it makes my face feel like a little bit tight. I feel like my pores are shrinking. I feel like the makeup is like, hey, we're gonna be stuck here for a while, so you are a-okay. And I have been hybriding this one with a little bit of the e.l.f. on top. This is not luxurious, but man, this is a new one that I am loving. And these two together work really, really well. But I'm gonna go and buy a bunch of bottles because this has turned out to be one of my favorite products. Bought it myself and will continue to do so. I've gone through a bottle, like a full bottle, in like a month. That never happens to me. Officially found my favorite brow pencil. This one from Benefit. This is the Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I am fresh out. Again, this almost never happens to me. I used an entire brow pencil in like a month and a half. Since when? I am always like, oh, I want to try this, I want to try that, I want to try this, and I'm here, there, everywhere, but this one I've been devoted, and I was so sad because I went to use it today, and I'm like, no, I'm out. I love it. This is a forever favorite. Like nothing else in my drawer compares. I'm so into it. I love it. The Brow Wiz is a close second, but this has just been perfect. And then their Fluff Up Brow Wax also, perfect. Best lash glue that I will always buy for the rest of my life is from Velour. It does not irritate my lashes. It does not swell my lash line. Sometimes lash glue can be so aggressive. It will actually make my lash line like puff up and swell and my eyes get irritated. And it's like, man, is this really worth it? This one right here, if you're a lens wearer, you're sensitive, this is such a powerhouse glue. The bottle's kind of hard to get the top to go back down all the way, but aside from the packaging little issue, you can basically put it on the lash, pop them on right away, and it's already tacky sticky. You don't have to wait a few minutes. You can just go in and it adheres so instantly and aggressively, but also at the end of the day, I don't have a hard time peeling it off. It's so good. This is new, but I want to say Anastasia will always be a brand that I buy highlighters from. Ever since we all went crazy with the 4-pan palettes of highlight, they just do highlight so well, and I am wearing that one today, and I have been reaching for it so much. And then I have a favor to ask. I wanted to know, you guys, what is your favorite airbrush makeup? I have ordered like 3 different brands off of Amazon, and I'm looking to replace my beloved Air Flash. I would say that this would be a forever and ever and ever favorite that I would always repurchase, but they discontinued it, and honestly, I could cry because this was so good. I need a dupe and I am open to suggestions. And there we have it, a fun video of favorites that I will always repurchase, a look at fashion. I hope that you guys enjoyed taking a little moment away, a field trip into my closet. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I love you. Be sure to use the code Tati25 to save 25% off of Lily Silk. Go check out their new launches. They are beautiful. The website is gorgeous. I will have that linked in the description box below. Other than that, go have a good one. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.